Working really hard is what successful people do. I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing Nelson Mandela said, there is no passion to be found playing small in settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living, and understand that to achieve these goals, you must apply discipline and consistency. In order to achieve your goals, you must apply discipline, but you've already done, and consistency every day. Not just one Tuesday and miss a few days. You have to work at it every day. You have to plan every day. We've heard the saying, we don't plan to fail. We fail to plan. Hard work works. So that when you wake up in the morning, you have to get on your knees to reach them. When while you're down there, say, thank you for grace. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for wisdom. Thank you for parents. Thank you for love. Thank you for kindness. Thank you for humility. Thank you for peace. Thank you for prosperity. Say thank you in advance for what's already yours. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. I'll say it again. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. My wife told me, there's great expression to get something you never had. You have to do something you never did. That's right. Today is the beginning of the rest of your life, and it can be very frightening. It's a new world out there. It's a mean world out there. You only live once, so do what you feel passionate about, take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. As an old IQ test was 9 dots, and you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. So don't be afraid to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail. Big to dream big, but remember, dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately fuel disappointment. So have dreams, but have goals. Life goals, yearly goals, monthly goals, daily goals. I try to give myself a goal every day. The most selfish thing you can do in this world is help someone else. Why is it selfish? Because the gratification, the goodness that comes to you, the good feeling that I get from helping others, nothing's better than that. Well, wanted 2 days. But nothing's better than that. Not jewelry. Not big house. I have not the cars, but it's the joy. That's where the joy is, in helping others. That's where the success is, in helping others. Finally, I pray that you put your slippers way under the bed tonight. I didn't get the job. But here's the thing, I didn't quit. I didn't fall back. I walked out of there to prepare for the next audition, and the next audition, and the next audition. I prayed and I prayed, but I continued to fail and fail and fail. But it didn't matter, because, you know what, there's an old saying, you hang around the barbershop long enough, sooner or later you are going to get a haircut. So, you will catch a break, and I did catch a break.